Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Language Key Point. In today's video, we'll learn 10 powerful words from the Hindu editorial with their meaning, synonyms, Hindi meaning and examples. So let's begin. Here are today's 10 words. Number 1. Alleviate. Alleviate. Number 2. Elusive. Elusive. Number 3. Resilient. Resilient. Number 4. Scrutiny. Scrutiny. Number 5. Pragmatic. Pragmatic. Number 6. Inadvertently. Inadvertently. Number 7. Conducive. Conducive. Number 8. Mitigate. Mitigate. Number 9. Ambiguous. Ambiguous. And the last, ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. Now next, we will go with the meaning, synonyms and Hindi meaning. Word 1. Alleviate. Verb. Meaning. To make something less severe. Synonyms. Reduce, lessen, relieve. Hindi meaning. कम करना, घटाना. Word 2. Elusive. Adjective. Meaning. Difficult to find, catch or understand. Synonym. Mysterious, vague, slippery. Hindi meaning. पकड़ में न आने वाला, समझ से परे. Word 3. Resilient. Adjective. Meaning. Able to recover quickly from difficulties. Synonym. Strong, tough, flexible. Hindi meaning. लचीला, कठिनाइयों से जल्दी उबरने वाला. Word 4. Scrutiny. Noun. Meaning. Careful and detailed examination. Synonym. Inspection, review, analysis. Hindi meaning. गहन जांच, सूक्ष्म परीक्षा. Word 5. Pragmatic. Adjective. Meaning. Practical and realistic in approach. Synonym. Sensible, logical, practical. Hindi meaning. व्यवहारिक, यथार्थवादी. Word 6. Inadvertently. Adverb. Meaning. Without intention, by mistake. Synonym. Accidentally, unknowingly. Hindi meaning. अनजाने में, गलती से. Word 7. Conducive. Adjective. Meaning. Helpful or favorable for something. Synonym. Supportive, helpful, suitable. Hindi meaning. सहायक, अनुकूल. Word 8. Mitigate. Verb. Meaning. To reduce or lessen something harmful. Synonym. Is, lessen, reduce. Hindi meaning. कम करना, घटाना. Word 9. Ambiguous. Adjective. Meaning. Having more than one meaning. Unclear. Synonym. Confusing, unclear, doubtful. Hindi meaning. अस्पष्ट, दो अर्थ वाला. Word 10. Ubiquitous. Adjective. Meaning. Present or found everywhere. Synonym. Everywhere, universal, common. Hindi meaning. सर्वत्र विद्यमान, हर जगह मौजूद. Now let's see some examples of those 10 words. Alleviate. Example. The new policy aims to alleviate poverty in rural areas. Hindi. नई नीति का उद्देश्य ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में गरीबी को कम करना है. Elusive. Example. The solution to this problem remains elusive. Hindi. इस समस्या का समाधान अब भी समझ से परे है। Resilient. Example, children are often more resilient than adults. हिंदी, बच्चे अक्सर बड़ों की तुलना में जल्दी संभल जाते हैं। Scrutiny. Example, the company's accounts came under public scrutiny. हिंदी, कंपनी के खातों की सार्वजनिक रूप से जांच की गई। Pragmatic. Example, the minister gave a pragmatic solution to the issue. हिंदी, मंत्री ने समस्या का एक व्यवहारिक समाधान दिया। Inadvertently. Example, he inadvertently deleted his important files. हिंदी, उसने अनजाने में अपनी जरूरी फाइलें डिलीट कर दी। Conducive. Example, a quiet place is conducive to studying. हिंदी, शांत जगह पढ़ाई के लिए अनुकूल होती है। Mitigate. Example, trees help mitigate air pollution. हिंदी, पेड़ वायु प्रदूषण को कम करने में मदद करते हैं। Ambiguous. Example, the teacher's instructions were ambiguous. हिंदी, शिक्षक के निर्देश स्पष्ट थे। Ubiquitous. Example, mobile phones have become ubiquitous today. हिंदी, आज मोबाइल फोन हर जगह पाए जाते हैं। So, you have learned 10 amazing words from the Hindu editorial with meanings, synonyms, and examples. Now it's your turn. Use 3 words in your own sentences and comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Language Key Point for new English lessons every Saturday. Thank you.